the armed forces briefing that's just gotten over had the senior commanders of the three services emphasize repeatedly, not once, not twice, but thrice, that the enemy here was the terrorists and this was not an operation against the Pakistan military or the Pakistan people. That is a very important shift, considering it comes just 48 hours after the Indian Air Force bombed at least 12 military bases in Pakistan, which we now know also includes a military cantonment surface-to-air weapon system in Karachi. I want to quickly just go through the big takeaways from this hugely crucial press conference, the second in 2 days by the armed forces. Number one, the armed forces have confirmed that every single Indian military or Air Force base is intact, operational and ready to continue operations if deemed necessary at short notice. That is a huge clarification coming in from the armed forces, because there's been all sorts of misinformation and rumor mongering over damage to different places in the country, military installations. Number two, the Indian Navy giving us more information at this press conference about its operations. The INS Vikrant carrier battle group that we know was deployed in the North Arabian Sea, we now know officially and on the record from this briefing, had basically started flying its fighters, its MiG-29K fighters, which forced the Pakistan Air Force and Pakistan Navy aircraft to remain confined to the Makran coast of Balochistan. They were not able to fly over the ocean. So that is a huge pressure tactic that was built upon Pakistan. Number three, this is for the first time at this briefing that the Indian Air Force, Army and Navy have revealed pictures of failed Chinese systems, whether it was missiles, whether it was air defense systems, whether it was Turkish drones as well. Imagery was put out officially for the first time so far that was confined to open source and social media. Number four, a large part of this briefing was dedicated to talking about the Indian integrated air defense system, which included indigenous homegrown systems like the Akash and the anti-drone system developed by the DRDO. And this was given a huge amount of attention. Its efficacy and trial by fire has happened.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
Finally, of course, the Indian Armed Forces saying that India's offensive posture continues against Pakistan.
Absolutely.